Hi, today we will talk about a look at Gothic clothing. There seems to be a subculture that most folks are not aware in our society today. As people look for individualism and the right to be very different, many have discovered Gothic. Now the first thing you may think of is medieval, or even a covenant of Satan worshippers. Well, that is not so, not to say some may fall into these categories. The truth is, Gothic dressers encompass a wide variety of lifestyles. Gothic clothing is big business in this country today, and manufacturers of Gothic clothing are reaping huge profits. Let us start with Gothic punk clothing. Many teens either are looking for individualism or desire to fit in with other teenagers. They choose for their attire Gothic clothing lines such as t-shirts, socks, or an array of jewelry. Gothic and punk clothing is this generation's hippie rebellion. You can find Gothic clothing online such as Dark Angel Gothic clothing or Victorian Gothic clothing. There are Gothic clothing for men, Gothic clothing for kids, Gothic clothing for girls, and Gothic clothing plus sizes. Gothic clothing online sales make up a large percent of overall sales. We also have an older generation that went from the hippies look to the Gothic look. Black seems to be the dominant color here, with mysterious accent colors and even sensual cuts of clothing. Gothic clothing, thigh-high boots and low neckline dresses can be seen here. Gothic medieval clothing lines are normal attire for this group of Gothic clothing lovers. It should be noted here that Gothic clothing wearers are often stereotyped as users of drugs or prostitutes. That is entirely false, and shame on those who think this. This style is for the expression of one's personality and not their lifestyle. There are those who turn to Gothic clothing to fulfill their sexual fantasies. You can find Gothic clothing lines that offer corsets, bustiers, leather teddies, and all sorts of sensual clothing meant to excite the partner. This is very normal for adults of any lifestyle. If you are curious about this subject, go online and check it out. It may be for you. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and share this to your friends. I'll see you on my next video soon.